In this video, I'll be going over how to configure an existing WordPress site to be able to accept MimbleWimble Coin donations. I already have a basic WordPress site set up, so to get started, I'll need to install the MimbleWimble Coin donation button plugin onto it. To do that, I'll go to the plugin's GitHub page, and I'll go to the installing section in its description. I'll click on the link and go to its releases, and I'll download its newest release. Once it's done downloading, I'll go back to my WordPress site and go to my dashboard. I'll choose to add a new plugin. And I'll choose to upload a plugin. I'll select the file that I downloaded and proceed to install it. Then I'll choose to activate it. I can now see the MimbleWimble Coin donation button plugin in my list of installed plugins. However, I'm getting this warning related to PHP's FFI API not being enabled. So let's fix that. Back in the plugin's GitHub page, there's a section that explains how to enable PHP's FFI API. Since my WordPress site is using an Apache web server, I'll need to add this line to my Apache configuration file. I have a terminal open that's remoted into my server, and I'll edit my Apache configuration file. Once it's open, I'll scroll down to the bottom and add the line that I copied. Then I'll save the file. After that, I can restart my server's Apache service to load the changes that I made to the configuration file. Now if I refresh my WordPress site, I can see that the warning is gone. If I was using a different web server than Apache, then I could enable PHP's FFI API by adding this line to my PHP configuration file. I'll demonstrate how to do that. I'll go back to my terminal that's remoted into my server and edit my PHP configuration file. Once it's open, I'll scroll down to the bottom and I'll add the line that I copied. Then I'll save the file. After that, I can restart my server's PHP service to load the changes that I made to the configuration file. Now that the MimbleWimble Coin donation button plugin is installed and working, it'll display my donation wallet's recovery passphrase. This will be used to access the MimbleWimble coin that my wallet receives. I can also get this recovery passphrase at any time by clicking on the plugin's Display Recovery Passphrase option. There's also an option to display my wallet's address. This is the address that my donation wallet is listening at, so I could give this address to anyone who wants to send me MimbleWimble Coin. Now I'll add a donation button to my WordPress site, so I'll choose to edit one of my site's pages. Then I'll add a block anywhere. In my list of available blocks, there's the MimbleWimble Coin donation button, so I'll add that. Then I can style it however I like. For example, I can center it. Then in the side panel, I have access to more styling options. Here I can change the button's background color, its text color. I can invert the QR code's color. I can change its font, make it bold, make it uppercase, make it bigger, add some padding to it. I'll set its background to a gradient that matches MimbleWimble Coin's colors a bit better. And after I'm done styling the donation button, I'll save the changes. Now if I go to the page that I just edited, I can see my MimbleWimble Coin donation button. This button provides several ways to make it easy for anyone to get my donation wallet's address so that they can send some MimbleWimble Coin to me. The first way is that if they have the MWC wallet browser extension installed, like I do here, then clicking on the donation button will automatically open their wallet and pre-populate the recipient address field with my donation wallet's address. The second way, if they don't have the MWC wallet browser extension installed, so let me disable it, is that clicking on the donation button will open my wallet's address with the MimbleWimble Coin URL prefix. What this means is that if the person donating has wallet software associated with that URL prefix, it will automatically open their wallet. For example, if they create a wallet at the MWC web wallet, they'll be prompted to associate the web wallet with the MimbleWimble Coin URL prefix. So if they agree to that, and now if they click on the donation button, it'll automatically open the MWC web wallet for them and pre-populate the recipient address field with my donation wallet's address. The third way is that they can just copy and paste my donation wallet's address into their recipient address field. For example, if they're ready to send some MimbleWimble Coin from their wallet, they can just right-click on the donation button and choose to copy the link address. Then they can paste my donation wallet's address into their recipient address field. The fourth way is the QR code that's included in the button. This is just a QR code that contains my donation wallet's address, so anyone can scan this QR code using their wallet software to fill in a transaction's recipient address field with my donation wallet's address. And that's all the ways that people can use this button to send me MimbleWimble Coin. So let's demonstrate actually sending some MimbleWimble Coin to my donation wallet. So I'll re-enable my MWC wallet browser extension since I have some MimbleWimble Coin there, and I'll click on the donation button to open my wallet. And I'll choose to send some MimbleWimble Coin to my donation wallet's address. And that's it. Every time a donation is received, an email is sent to the WordPress site's admin letting them know. This email includes the amount of MimbleWimble Coin received and a link to a block explorer where they can view the donation's transaction. So to access the MimbleWimble Coin that's sent to my donation wallet, I can restore my wallet's recovery passphrase into any MimbleWimble Coin wallet software. For example, I'll copy my wallet's recovery passphrase, then go to the MWC web wallet and choose to recover a wallet with that passphrase. Once that's done, the wallet will show up in my list of wallets and start syncing. I'll skip ahead to once it's done syncing. Now I can see and spend all the MimbleWimble Coin that my donation wallet has received, and I can see the transaction for the donation that I received earlier. And that's how to configure an existing WordPress site to be able to accept MimbleWimble Coin donations.